Welcome to the world of Zano, where your financial privacy and security are our top priorities. In today's digital age, safeguarding your financial information is crucial. With increasing digital transactions, the need for a secure, private, and efficient system is essential. Traditional banks offer privacy but are centralized and vulnerable to censorship and attacks. Most cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are transparent, exposing all transaction details to the public. This lack of privacy is a significant security risk for the end user. Introducing Zano, the next-generation blockchain platform designed to protect your privacy. Zano ensures that all transaction amounts, sender and receiver details remain confidential. With Zano, your financial activities are completely shielded from prying eyes. Zano embodies core values such as privacy, security, scalability, and ease of use. Our mission is to revolutionize blockchain by adding the essential privacy component that makes crypto fungible, maximizing security for the end user, and driving mass adoption. One of Zano's standout features is confidential assets. This allows users to create their own privacy tokens, which enjoy the same level of privacy as native Zano. Transactions involving these assets are completely confidential, making it perfect for issuing private stablecoins or releasing shielded versions of existing assets. Developers can leverage Zano's platform to create decentralized exchanges, private stablecoins, and secure on-chain marketplaces. Imagine privately sending Bitcoin or Ethereum or issuing a censorship-resistant stablecoin. These are just a few examples of what can be achieved with Zano's technology. With ionic swaps, users can trade Zano and all confidential assets released on Zano's blockchain in a peer-to-peer manner. All trades remain private and secure. Zano Trade, our decentralized exchange that uses ionic swap technology, requires no user registration and keeps all transaction information confidential. This prevents issues like front-running, where malicious actors exploit visible transaction data. Zano's hybrid proof-of-work and proof-of-stake consensus enhances security and decentralization. This combination ensures that performing a 51% attack on Zano is infeasible, as it requires both a majority of the hash rate and a significant amount of the total staked coins. Additionally, Zano can become deflationary when the network burns surpass the block rewards. As the network grows in popularity, the overall supply of Zano will decrease over time, potentially increasing its value. Using Zano is simple and intuitive. With user-friendly interfaces and seamless integration, making private transactions has never been easier. From creating confidential assets to conducting anonymous transactions, Zano provides comprehensive tools to meet all your needs. Zano also offers features designed to enhance user experience and security. Our escrow contracts facilitate secure and private peer-to-peer settlements without the involvement of a trusted third party. The Marketplace API allows users to create and manage decentralized marketplaces, enabling private trading of goods and services on-chain. Zano's auditable wallets feature enables you to create transparent wallets for situations where you'd rather verify than trust. Zano is not just a technology, but a community driven by innovation and collaboration. Our dedicated team of developers and a growing community of users continually enhance the platform, keeping it at the forefront of privacy-focused blockchain technology. Your privacy matters. Choose Zano, the leading blockchain platform that prioritizes confidentiality and security. Visit Zanolist.com to learn more and join the future of private and secure digital transactions. Experience the power of Zano and take control of your financial privacy today.